Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down one of the most misunderstood feature in Microsoft 365, allowed location. Um, you ever wonder how you control where you are user can sign in from in this video for you. So basically the main message, allowed location, lets you define trust IP range or countries so you can tie your conditional access policy. Basically this is like most of the enterprise company who ever travel to uh, another countries and very hard to manage as admin level. So this is the best way you can make the policy so only allowed into your countries or your office locations, and whenever the like user traveling outside of the other countries, they will request you or admin person. So basically, you will allow during that time or time period and make a temporary access for them. So the first of all, before you configure the conditional access policy, the best way you can configure the group, and it is a very helpful where like you manage the group, add and remove when the users are traveling. So this is a group I called as a security group. Group name is allowed Australian and New Zealand. The group discussion you can make the same. And I, as a testing, I put as an ad member myself into the group. Once you configure the group, you go to the Microsoft Azure and then put the conditional access policy. Just type as a conditional and go to enter conditional access. Once you there, you can create a new policy. Give us a name as allowed Australia and New Zealand. And the next step, you have to go to user and agents who basically giving a policy to the user who will apply. So I will include all users into this testing and then exclude myself. So the reason of I once you put all user and exclude, you won't be like block yourself into the group. Once you're done, you go to the resource group, and as basically you are applying this policy to all the cloud apps related with the Microsoft 365 apps. So just choose the all resources formerly all cloud apps. Once you're done, go to network. This is the best part, and make sure you are very careful into this section. So in a network, you go to configure and put include any network or location. So basically any users are like login from anywhere in a network or location, it will apply this policy. And in exclude, you put Australia EU, which I configured the group, which means all the users have basically into your office location. They are have no any issue with the sign-in process. So this is a apply the policy of anyone trying to log in from without this location. Once you're done, there is a option comes block access or grant access. Make sure you choose the block access, means it will be apply this policy to block signing. Once you're done, I will suggest to start the policy with the report only and make a monitor for the few days. Once you're done, you can apply and apply the policy as on, and it will be restricted to the user when they are anyone trying to log in from outside of your region. And that's where you can very less